Good morning, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of class 12. Today our topic is reflecting type telescope. So reflecting type telescope. Reflecting type telescope is more useful than reflective type telescope because its cast is very low as compared to reflecting type telescope, and in reflecting type telescope it is chromatic aberration free, it is spherical aberration free, it is high focal length, high curvature, so gathering of light is more than refracting type telescope, so that clear image is formed in the reflecting type telescope. So first of all, we'll make ray diagram of it. Reflecting type telescope is two types. First is Newtonian telescope. Second is Cassegrainian. Telescope. Newtonian telescope and Cassegrainian telescope. Newtonian telescope is made by Newton sir, and Cassegrainian telescope was made by Cassegrain sir. Cassegrainian is modified telescope. So first of all, we will make ray diagram of Newtonian telescope. Listen. In Newtonian telescope, the concave mirror is used for objective mirror. Incident ray falls on concave mirror, and after reflection of concave mirror, a plane mirror is kept between the rays of concave mirror. Plane mirror is kept in between the reflected rays of concave mirror, and image is formed at this point, which is seen by eyepiece. Okay, this is objective mirror. You can see objective concave
This is Sanjana. This is
make the diagram.
Mr. Veera, please join us.
This is the Newtonian telescope, in which objective concave mirror is used and plane mirror is used. Plane mirror is at an angle 45 degree such that image is formed near the eye, and we will get clear image from eyepiece. And Cassegrain modified this telescope using convex mirror for secondary mirror. In Cassegrainian telescope, concave mirror is used for objective and convex mirror is used for secondary mirror. So now we move on Cassegrainian telescope. Magnifying power is same as we have earlier discussed in telescope, astronomical telescope, that is magnifying power as LDDV, least distance of distinct vision will be FO by UV. FO by FU 1 plus FE by FU. This is the magnifying power when final image is formed at this distance of distinct vision. This is the case of strain eye case, where your eye takes strain, because maximum magnification is formed at this position. And for relaxed eye case, that is minimum magnification case, M infinity, magnifying power M infinity will be F4 upon F. Remember that in case of mirror, you should take positive side. Sign convention should be positive. But in case of lens, we have used negative sign convention. That is minus F4 by Fe 1 plus Fe by 2. But in case of mirror, this will be positive, because image is erect in mirror and image is inverted in lenses. So this sign convention should be remembered. Okay. Can I rub the diagram? Now second type of reflecting type of telescope, that is Cassegrain telescope. First of all, we will make ray diagram for that. in Cassegrain telescope, still concave mirror is used as objective mirror, and made of roll in the concave mirror like the diagram. Incident ray coming from infinity for it is a telescope, and it will focus at focal point. But we place a convex mirror in between the reflected rays from concave mirror. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. And this is a virtual object. This reflected ray seems to come from this point. So this is the virtual image for convex mirror. So after reflection, after second reflection by convex mirror, image is formed at this position. This is seen by eyepiece. Concave mirror is used as objective mirror. Which is also known as primary mirror, and convex mirror is the secondary mirror. This is called secondary mirror. So incident rays coming from infinity because your object is at infinity. When incident ray is coming from infinity and parallel to the principal axis, they will focus on focal point. But in between the reflected rays coming from concave mirror, there is a convex mirror. Second reflection will occur here. So this is the second reflection, and reflected ray from convex mirror where the final image is formed at that point, and this is the image formed by the convex mirror, and this is the object of concave mirror, which is virtual object for convex mirror, and final image formed at point I, and eyepiece. Due to eyepiece, you can see the image here. So this is the Cassegrain telescope. Make the diagram first. You have no need of proofing magnifying power from Cassegrain telescope. You just explain the ray diagram and magnifying power. Magnifying power is same as astronomical telescope. So in case of LGTV, that is magnifying power at least distance of mystic vision. This is the maximum magnification, same as astronomical telescope, that is therefore by L 1 plus L by B. And minimum magnification, that is in case of relaxed eye condition, when final image is formed at infinity, your eye is relaxed and that position is called relaxed eye condition. Here magnifying power will be f4 by f. So range of the magnifying power from f4 upon fe to f4 upon fe 1 plus fe by d. Okay. So range of Cassegrain telescope is from f4 by fe to f4 by fe 1 plus fe by d. This is the range. This is the magnifying power at this distance of distinct vision, and this is the magnifying power at infinity. So this is the relaxed eye case, and this is the strain eye case. So range will be f4 by fe to f4 by fe is f4 by fe 1 plus fe by d. So you can write here range will be f4 by fe to f4 by fe 1 plus fe by d. Clear? Range f4 by fe to this one. Okay. Now the diagram. Now write down advantage of reflecting type telescope over refracting type telescope. So advantages. Advantage number 1. Write it down. Aperture of the reflecting type telescope, that is concave mirror. Aperture of the concave mirror is larger, so focal length also be larger than refracting type telescope. So more light is gathered, so image will be sharp and clear. This is the first advantage. Objective is bigger, that is more light come from the object, and since objective aperture of the concave mirror is larger, so more light come to the objective mirror, so image will be sharp and clear. Second advantage is it is free from chromatic aberration. It is free from chromatic aberration as well as spherical aberration. In lenses, that is in refracting type telescope, there are chromatic aberration. That is, image is formed at different position for different color. So color drawback is considered as chromatic aberration, but in mirror chromatic aberration is absolutely zero. That is, mirror is free from chromatic aberration. And if parabodial mirror, concave mirror is used, then spherical aberration will also removed. So this is the advantage. And next advantage, its cost is very low as compared to refracting type telescope. This is a main advantage, I think, and it can carry easily. Write it down.
Mr. Surya Kumar